Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be covering how to update values from a table in SQLite with Python, and this is the last tutorial in the series, I believe. So let's get started. Let's run this and see the values that are in the table. So right now there are only Bob. So what the goal for this video is to change Bob to Rob. So we'll hash this out, and then we're gonna start from scratch, and we're gonna write c.execute. So you need to use update, all caps, and then you need to do update. Let me just check real quick. You need to do update and the table's name. So we do update tutorial, which is the table we created in the first video. We do update tutorial, and then we have to use where. No, we have to use set. You have to say set and the column name equal to, in single parentheses, Rob. And then we're gonna say where name is equal to Bob. So this is gonna change the name to Rob where the name is Bob. So then we just need to commit this. We say con.commit, and then if we run this right here, okay, process finished with no errors, and then we hash this out, and then we unhash this, and then if we run this, we see, hopefully we see name is Rob. So also what you can do is we can change it from if we want to change it back to Rob, back to Bob, we're gonna do a variable this time. We're gonna say set name equal to question mark, where name equal to question mark, and then we're gonna pass in the values. We're gonna pass in the question marks. We're gonna pass in, so set name equal to, we need to do Rob. We need to have a variable called Bob. So let's just call this name, and call this name2 equals to Rob. So, and then we in here we need to set the name. Right now the name is Rob, so we need to set it to Bob. So we need to set the name to Bob. So we pass in set name to Bob. So pass in name, we pass in name, and then for the next variable we pass in name2. So now if we run this, this should change the name, and then hash this out, and then so name should be Bob again. So if we run this, and as we can see, the name is Bob. So guys, that was the last tutorial of the Python with SQLite with Python series. In the next I'm going to start a series with Flask. In that I'm going to be teaching you how to make a basic website with a database, and then we're going to also publish the website using Python anywhere. So stay tuned for that, and after that I'm also going to do some Selenium projects and tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe so we can beat the YouTube algorithm together. And thanks for watching. Peace.